Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Okay,
morning,
so children,
ma'am.
good morning. So,
Good morning, ma'am.
today we are going to start the new topic, measurements. We know measurements. We know how to measure the length. Yes, we learned.
Yes, ma'am.
Usually, we will in the smaller classes, we were using like measurements, using scale, how to measure the length of a scale or pencil or pen, like your table, your book. We used to, in the smaller classes, we used measurements, how to measure the length. Okay, length, breadth, height, and all. And we know what is 2D shapes. What is 2D shapes? We have 2 dimension, length and breadth. And we can you say some examples? Who can tell me examples for 2D shape? Yes, Anandesh. Yes,
Square.
Anandesh.
Triangle.
Triangle,
Square.
square, rectangle, okay, 2D shapes. And children, we learned 3D shapes. Can you give me examples for
Ma'am,
3D
cube,
shapes?
cube, sphere, cuboid,
Okay.
cylinder,
Okay. Yeah, I will ask one by one. When everyone say together, it's not clear. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, and all. Okay. So that 3D dimension, we have 3 dimension: length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth, and height. So this cuboid, we can see your pencil box and all. It has length, breadth, and height also. And for 2D shapes, rectangle, square, triangle, we have only length. 2 dimension means we have length, breadth, like that. So today we are going to learn, children, perimeter area. So you know that perimeter, have you learned before? No. Okay, so perimeter, children, it's a distance around a figure, closed figure. Distance around a closed figure. We have learned closed figure, open figure. So these are 2D shapes like rectangle, square, circle, or triangle. All are closed. All are closed figures. So children, you know how to distance. We cannot use this one. Is there any problem? Distance around the figure, distance around a closed figure, that is perimeter. So distance around, we can see our like compound wall. What is the length of the compound wall? That is distance around our plot. Distance around. So children, I will start with one video. You can see the video. After that, we will start. So listen carefully. We will learn perimeter of different shapes. Just think that you have to distance around the closed figure means you have to add all the length of all sides. Then only we will get perimeter. So I will show you one video. Children, please listen carefully. I don't know. Okay, shared sound. The audio. I don't know whether you can hear the audio. Some problem with sharing. Just a minute, okay, children? It's some problem with the board. Let me see. Children, please, there is some problem with the board, okay? Not able to Just wait, okay? All of you, please wait. Okay, children, please wait, okay? One minute. ഞാനൊരു വീഡിയോ കാണിക്കാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു പക്ഷേ ഷെയർ ഒന്ന് അത് ഓഫാക്കും എൻ്റെ സ്പോട്ട് ഓഫാക്കും ലൈവ് ഓഫാക്കും ആ മിസ്സിൻ്റെ പൈസ കൊണ്ട് Children, are you there? Yes, children? Are you there? The board was hanged.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Please mute your audio. The board was hanged, so I was just start again. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
we were discussing perimeter. So I told you perimeter means distance around a 2-dimensional closed figure. For example, we discussed rectangle, square, triangle. Okay, now I will show you the video. All the children, please mute your audio and listen carefully.
Perimeter of triangle, square, and rectangle. Today, let's revise how to find perimeter.
Children, can you hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so mute your audio and listen carefully. Okay.
Ma'am, the sound is being stuck.
square, and rectangle. The word perimeter comes from two Greek words, peri and metron. Peri means around, and metron means measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, it is found by adding the lengths of all the sides of a closed plane figure. The units of perimeter are millimeter, centimeter, meter, or kilometer. Today, we will learn how to find the perimeter of the polygons triangle, rectangle, and square using formulas. Let's start with the triangle. A triangle has three sides: side A, side B, and side C. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the lengths of all its sides. Thus, perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Let's find the perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions P is equal to 7 meters, Q is equal to 8 meters, and R is equal to 10 meters. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of all its sides, which is equal to P plus Q plus R. That is 7 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 25 meters. Thus, perimeter of the triangle is equal to 25 meters. Now, let us look at the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We have already learned that a rectangle has four sides, wherein its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth, which is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Now, let's find the perimeter of a rectangle having the dimensions length is equal to 18 kilometers and breadth is equal to 12 kilometers. Using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into, in brackets, 18 plus 12 is equal to 2 into 30, which is 60 kilometers. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is 60 kilometers. Finally, let's look at the perimeter of a square. We know that the lengths of the four sides of a square are the same. Thus, the perimeter of a square can be calculated by adding all the four sides of a square. Thus, perimeter of a square is equal to S plus S plus S plus S, which is equal to 4 times the length of a side. Now, let's find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeters. Using the formula, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into 10, which is equal to 40 centimeters. Thus, perimeter of the square is 40 centimeters. Wasn't it easy to find the perimeters of these polygons?
Okay, children. So we were learning the formulas. Why we are using the formula? Can you hear me? Yes, children. Okay. So the perimeter means distance around. Children, so when we learn perimeter, we have to be very attentive and study all the formulas. Because why we are using formula? Because it's easy for us to do the calculations. So you will get area, volume will also be coming. Children, please mute your audio. Tanya. Okay. So perimeter means distance around a closed 2D shape. So what we will do, how to find the area, perimeter, we will add all the length. Okay, so how we can use the formula? For rectangle, we know two sides, opposite sides are equal. And square, we have all the sides are equal. So it will be easy if we use the formula. Okay, children, so let me take the easy board.
Ma'am, it's
Okay.
not shared screen.
Okay, wait.
You didn't share the screen.
Excuse me, ma'am. You didn't share the
Yes, children. I was just downloading this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, perimeter. 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 What is the spelling of perimeter? Can you tell me? T-E-R or R-E? Perimeter. Okay. So what is perimeter? Distance around a closed 2D shape. Distance around. So I'm just writing the keywords only. Distance around a closed figure. So children, we know if this triangle, if I'm taking this A side, B side, C side. So what is the distance around this triangle? Capital A, B, C. So what is the length of A, B? A. Plus length of BC. What is that? B. Plus length of AC. What is that here? C. So we will just add. Okay, A plus B plus C. So children, for example, if it is given here 2, that is the length of the AB. Instead of A, we can say it is 2. We will add here B equal to 3, C is equal to 4. So what will be the total? We will add 2 plus 3 plus 4. Very easy. Yes, we have to just add all the length. So that is perimeter. So perimeter means distance around the closed figure. Distance around. So here if the length is given, it is very easy. We can just add all the length together. So next one, children, we are going to do with rectangle. What is the specialty for rectangle? Opposite sides are
opposite sides are
equal.
Opposite sides
So
are
children,
equal.
if I'm taking this as the length, here also length. Yes, because the opposite side is equal. And if it is this breadth, here also it's breadth. Okay, so how many times L? We have 2 times L. Or we can say L plus B, again another L plus B. So if we don't have any formula, we just need to, for example, if it is here 6, 6. Here it is 2 and 2. We have to add 6 plus 2, 8 plus 6 plus 2. If the
Excuse
it
me,
is
ma'am.
small numbers, wait a minute, let me complete. If it is small numbers, it is easy for us to add. So if it is big numbers, we will, it's easy for us to use the formula, because here now I'm showing how we are getting the formula. So here L plus L, 2L plus, here L plus L, 2L, B plus B, 2B. So the formula is 2 times. I'm taking this 2 from both the numbers, for both the terms. Here 2, I'm taking 2 into L plus B. So here formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle. 2 times L. L is repeated, added 2 times, and breadth also added 2 times. So what is the formula for rectangle? 2 times L plus B. 2
Within-
times L plus B. So children, I can do without formula and with formula. Now let's check whether it is the same. So children, what I have written here, this rectangle is having length 6 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. So you know the perimeter means distance around. For example, if I am writing the name as ABCD of this rectangle, I just need to add AB, that is 6 plus distance around means length, breadth, all the sides we have to add 2. Again here another one 6. Again here AD, that is 2. So can you say the answer? 6 plus 2? 8. Again 6
8.
plus 2? 8. So what is 8 plus 8? 16, and it is given us in centimeters. So I will write 16 centimeter. So children, without using the formula, we just need to add the length of all sides. Add the length of all sides. Now I'm going to use this formula. 2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B. So I will take 2 times. What is length? Children, look here from the board. What is length? Yes?
6.
6. The length is given as 6 plus, what is breadth? Look here. Breadth. Look here.
2.
2.
2.
2. So children, like this, if it is bracket, we will do this calculation inside the bracket first. What is 6 plus 2? 8. So we can write 2 times 8. What is 2 times 8? 16. So when we use the formula and when we do not use formula, just adding, we will get the same answer. So it's better you will remember the formula, because this is very important. So perimeter P of, we will denote this perimeter by the letter P. For rectangle, it is 2 times L plus B. Remember this formula. I will ask you now, in between, all the children, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. What's that? 2 times
L plus B.
L plus B. L is length. What is B? Breadth. Length, breadth. Okay. Now we will, children, please mute your audio. Now we will derive the formula for a square. What is the special for square?
All sides are equal.
The 4 sides are
Four
equal.
sides are equal.
Equal.
4 sides are equal. Okay. So children, 4 sides are equal. Let me take another color here.
Okay.
4 sides are equal. Okay. So here the square A, B, C, D. So here if this side is S, this is also S, this also is. So when I add the perimeter, I have to add S plus another S plus again S plus again this S. So how many times S? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times S means one side. 4 into side. Okay. So children, if I'm taking this square with 3 centimeter. If I am writing 3, here also everywhere it's 3. So if it is 3 plus again 3 plus here also 3 plus here also 3. So add and tell me 3 plus 3? 6. 6. 6 plus 3? 9. 9 plus 3? 12. 12 centimeter. Now children are going to use the formula. What is that? 4 times 3. What is 4 threes are? 12. So which is easy? Using this formula or we using adding all the formula?
Formula.
But if your formula is wrong,
Answer is wrong.
Everything will be wrong. So children, now I am showing only the formula of perimeter. So children, remember, after this we will study the formula of area, like this: area of rectangle, area of triangle, area of square. Then you will get confused. So now we are learning only perimeter. So if the triangle, we will just add a plus b plus c. If the all the sides are different, we don't know the triangle, all the sides are, what we will do, just add a plus b plus c. And if the triangle is given a rectangle, what is the formula, Anandesh?
Ma'am,
2 times
ma'am, two times, ma'am, for rectangle.
Rectangle.
Ma'am, two into L plus B.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
so
got
children,
triangle.
please remember 2 times L plus B in the bracket. 2 into in the bracket L plus B. Okay, now Tanya, can you say? Can you say the square? What is the perimeter? Square.
2 into
Square. 4 sides are equal. So why we need to do again 2 into? All the sides are equal, no?
yes, ma'am.
So 4 into side.
4
into
4
side.
into
4
side.
Okay. So listen, children. I will explain again. We have learned today. All of you, please. I will explain again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anthony. I cannot see you. Okay, children, please listen. We learned today. All those who have any problem with the network, I can see, Anthony, your network is unstable. So I will just explain again. We learned today what is the perimeter. Perimeter means distance around a closed figure. We are learning for triangle, rectangle, and square. And I have shown you how we can derive formula. Means when we add all the sides of a triangle, for example, the sides are A, B, C. What is the perimeter? We will denote the perimeter by capital P is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Rectangle, you know, children, that opposite sides are equal. So we have 2 length and 2 breadth. 2 length and 2 breadth. So how we will write the formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. And for square, all the 4 sides are equal. 4 equal sides. So we will just need to do 4 times one side. 4 into S. 4S. Okay, 4S. Okay, so children, when we do with the bigger numbers, it's a formula. It will help us to save the time. Okay, so it's better to study the formula. So what is the formula of rectangle? I'm repeating again. 2 times L plus B. 2 times
2 times L
L
plus
plus
B.
B. And what is the formula for square? 4
Side.
4 into one side.
4 into S.
Okay, now quickly I will ask everyone. You have to tell me faster the formula. If you are faster with formula, we can use our calculations or we can
Excuse me, ma'am.
solve the
Can you
problems
repeat
further.
again?
I have repeated again now. Please listen. When we do, it will, we can do with more problems that it will be easy for you. Okay, now what is the
No, ma'am,
formula?
that
Devak.
formula.
Formula. Devak. The children will help you. Okay. Anusri.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle?
2 times L plus B.
2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Okay, Chinmay, can you tell me for square? perimeter of square?
4 into S.
4 into S, 4S. Okay. Anandesh, can you tell me the example formula for rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. Tanya, for square?
4 into sides.
4 into side. Now, where is Anusri? Can you repeat that now? That all the children have helped you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
For rectangle, 2 into L plus B.
Very good. 2 into L plus B. And what about
For
for square?
square, 4 into side.
4 into side. Okay, children, can you take out your rough book and calculate some perimeter of, I will give you length and breadth. Okay, children, do it fast.
Okay.
So children, find the perimeter. Find the perimeter. If you know the formula, you have to use the formula. Find the perimeter of the triangle, square, and rectangle. Perimeter P is equal to. Yes, Fia? Say the perimeter of triangle. Yes, Fia?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, 9.
Yes, Fia. I mean, I will give you a chance. Okay. Yes, Fia? The perimeter of the triangle. These two very simple small numbers I have given. Yes, Simon. 3
Ma'am,
plus 4 plus 2.
9.
3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. Here square, children, you will do with the formula. P is equal to. Isha, can you say the exam question number 2? Here, question number 2. The formula is square. Square, perimeter. 4 times side. Okay, 4S. 4 times side, 4S. 4 times, which is the side given here? 8. So what's the answer?
32.
32. So children, if it is given in centimeter, you can write centimeter, or if it is given in meter, you can write in meter. Okay, now next one.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. What's the perimeter of this rectangle? Tell me the formula.
Ma'am, length plus breadth.
Length plus breadth only one time.
Ma'am, 2 into 2.
2 times L plus B. 2 times. What is the L given here? That is 9 plus. What is the breadth? 3.
3.
Okay. Now 2. Children, we will do the calculation in the bracket first. 2 times. What is 9 plus 3? What is 9 plus 3?
12. 12.
12. Okay. So 12 into 2?
24.
24. 24 centimeter.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
So children, please check whether you got all the answer. For triangle, it is 9 centimeter. And for square, it is 32 centimeter.
32
And for rectangle, it is 24
24.
centimeter.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Okay. So how many got all
Ma'am, I
these
got
three
the correct
answers
answer.
correct, children? Yes?
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, Adil, tell me the formula for rectangle, perimeter formula.
Ma'am,
Rectangle.
2L plus B.
2 times
2
L plus
into
B.
L plus
2 into L plus B. L plus B, you have to say together because it is in the bracket. Okay, Ammu, what is the formula for a square? Perimeter square?
Ma'am, 4 into side.
4 into side. Very good. 4 into side. 4s. Okay, children, please take out your page number 94. Try to do question 1, 2, and 3 quickly. Page number 94.
Ma'am, finish 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Finish. Very good. See, children, that is very easy.
Ma'am, I
Write the
also
corner,
finished.
write the side, write the 2D shape. Okay, quickly we will answer that now. Okay.
Ma'am, I finished that.
Yes, Tanya, read question number 1. Page number 94.
The corners of the given figure
Hmm.
are N, comma, O, comma, M, and P.
Hmm. So what's the option?
C.
C. Okay, see children, you have to just see the corners. These corners and all, I think we are learning from class 1. Corners of a rectangle. So it's, what's the option? Option C. Option C.
C.
Okay, question number 2. Yes, Anusri, question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, Devak. Yes, Fia will read question number 3. Okay, Devak, question number 2.
The sides of the given figure are option
Side.
A, Q, R, T, and S. Option B, Q, R,
Tell me the correct option. Correct option. B. Okay, children, it's B. So Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, Q. Just write the side, edge. That side is same edge. So option B, Q, R, S, S, T, T, Q. Yes? Okay, Fia, question number 3. From the given, you have to identify which is a 2D shape. Oh,
Third question. The given 2D shape is a dash. A triangle, B square, C rectangle, D circle.
which
A
is the
triangle.
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 We know the picture of a triangle. So A, C, option, question number 1, option C, question number 2, option B, question number 3, option A. Okay, children, bye, and we will continue with in board number 7. Board number 7. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.